Pure Beauties, it's Nikki. Today I'm going to show you guys how I contour and highlight using our new Bronze and Brighten palette. This palette comes with 3 different shades to use as a blush, a bronzer, and a brightener for your highlighter. All the colors names are Blushing Glow, Afterglow, and Mineral Glow. Afterglow and Mineral Glow are from 2 of our other products, and Blushing Glow is a new blush shade. I've already contoured my face using the bronzer shade from the palette. Next thing I'm going to do is dip into the Afterglow highlighter shade and just start to, whoa, baby. Do y'all see that highlight? Oh my God, it's ridiculous. Here's the finished look after I've contoured, highlighted, and put a little blush on my cheeks using our Bronze and Brighten palette. So this palette is a brand new item. It is launching on our site very soon. If you want to get the notification to let you know when this puppy will be on there and ready to buy, go ahead and swipe up to sign up.